Focus on the white dot. Line it up right here. Hold your left eye. Alright. Done with the first. When that goes like that, it's you're out of ammo. You can just do this. Alright? Alright, step away for a second. Whoa. Right, round two.
That's a way to wake you up.
Whoa. Alright, ready?
He's hearing this is a way to wake you up.
Alright, good job, man. Let's see how you did. Check it out. Still got it. I know you're on. Right. Lean into it though. Lean
Rob really doesn't like playing. You're scared of them, aren't you, Rob?
Huh?
You're scared of them. That's why you went a bit mental.
Gotta kill them zombies.
He's all over the place. This is clean. Somebody cleaned it. Right. We're good to go. There, grab the gun. Lean into the target. Now you can step back a little bit if you want. There you go. Are you ready? How was that? You like that?
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, let's get that picture, man.
I'll put it on the face.
Right in the face.